Welcome to your mindful yoga session. This practice is about being present while gently moving your body. Remember, the goal is not to perfect the poses, it's to feel your body and your breath. Move slowly, stay gentle, and honor your own limits. Take a moment to thank yourself for dedicating this time. Let's begin. 1. Arrival, present moment. Find a comfortable seated position or simply stand. Notice how your body connects with the ground or chair beneath you. There's no need to change your breath, just allow it to flow naturally. Feel the weight of your body and the subtle sensations of your muscles relaxing. Let your mind settle here, fully present in this moment. Take a few slow breaths, noticing the gentle rise and fall of your chest and belly. Stay here, simply observing, letting your mind quiet. Two, breath awareness. Place one hand on your belly and the other on your chest. Feel your body move with each inhale and exhale. Notice the gentle expansion and release. There's no need to control your breath, just observe it as it flows naturally. Allow your nervous system to calm and your body to relax with every breath. Stay present with this simple yet powerful awareness. Three, gentle neck and shoulder release. Now, slowly bring awareness to your neck and shoulders. Move them gently in small, controlled motions. Avoid any tension or pain. Feel the muscles soften, releasing any tightness you've carried today. Notice how your body responds to this gentle release. Allow your shoulders to drop, your neck to lengthen, and your head to feel light. Four, cat-cow flow. Come onto all fours, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. As you inhale, gently arch your back, lifting your chest and tailbone. As you exhale, round your spine, drawing your navel toward your spine. Move slowly and fluidly with your breath. Feel each vertebra move, each muscle stretch and release. Stay fully present in the movement, letting your breath guide you. Five, child's pose. Rest and pause. Now, shift back into child's pose. Bring your forehead and knees to the ground. Allow your body to relax completely, letting your weight melt into the floor. Feel your breath slowing, softening with each inhale and exhale. This is a place of safety, rest, and calm. Pause here, embracing the sense of ease in your body. 6. Seated forward fold. Come to a comfortable seated position. On an exhale, slowly fold forward, keeping your back and neck relaxed. Remember, this isn't about how far you can go, it's about how it feels in your body. Notice the stretch and any gentle sensations, breathing into each one. Observe how your body responds as you stay present with your breath. Seven, closing stillness. Return to a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes if you like and check in with your body. Notice how it feels now compared to the beginning. Bring your attention to your breath, observing the calm, steady rhythm. Take a few moments to soak in this sense of presence and tranquility. Thank yourself for taking this time for your body and mind. Carry this calm with you into the rest of your day. Ending. You've completed your mindful yoga practice. Remember, you can return to this calm awareness anytime you need. Have a wonderful day, full of presence and ease.